Hi friends, welcome to our channel. So in this video, we are going to discuss about arrays in Java. So before getting into this video, first of all, we have to understand the difference between Java array and C programming array. So maybe I will do one thing, I will make one separate video. So in that video, we will compare Java array and the C programming array. So here one point we have to remember. So coming to C programming, array is a data type. But coming to Java, array is not a data type, it is a object. So as of now, let us remember only this point. In our next video, we will compare Java and C programming array. So finally, coming to Java, array is a object and it will take a memory during runtime. Yes, always object will take a memory during runtime. So there are three ways to create a array in Java. So let me create the first way. I'm just creating one array. That will be array one within square bracket. I will not specify any size. Yes, in Java, array is not a data type. It is an object. It has to allocate a memory during runtime. This is the first way to create a array object in Java. So now you can look at this line. How I am declaring the array. So first I will specify the type of the array and some reference name. So it is not a variable because in Java array is not a data type. It's an object. So finally here one is the reference and empty square bracket equal. By using new keyword, I am allocating or I am creating array object during runtime. So during runtime, while creating array object, I will specify my array size. So hope it's clear, friends. So now how it will be in the memory. So in the memory, so it will be creating an array with 5 size as per this code. And this is my array object and it is pointing by a reference arr1. So here don't forget, friends, arr1 is the reference. It is pointing a array object and this array object is coming with 5 size. I have created an array object but I have not initialized any value, so which means it will take the default value based on the type of the array. So as per this code, the type of the array is integer and the default value is 0. So all the 5 will become 0. Yes, I have not initialized any value. As we are familiar already, array index will start from 0 and second one will be index 1 and 2, 3, 4. So till array size -1. This is the first way to create a array in Java. And the second way, what I'm going to declare another array. Again, I will not specify the size over here. So this time, I'm going to initialize the values. And look at my code. I'm not using a new keyword, even though it is the object. So when this allocation will happen during runtime. Yes, it's a object in Java. Yes, coming to Java, array is a object. So now what will happen because of this line? So it will be creating a new array during runtime, and it is initializing the values. So how many values I am initializing? As per this array, I am initializing three values. In the case of previous array, since I have not initialized any value, it is taking the default value. But here, I am initializing the array with some values. And same as usual, here are 2 is the reference. It is pointing this array object. And like as usual, index will start from 0. So this is the second way of array creation in Java. We have one more way. So the third way will look like a combination of way 1 as well as 2. And look at the code. I am creating an object, array object by using new keyword. I am not specifying the size, and immediately I am initializing the values. So this is my third way of array creation in Java. So again, same scenario. So during runtime, so the memory allocation will happen, and I am allocating memory as well as I am initializing the values. So as per my code, the values are 10, 20 and 30. So it's a new array. It is pointed by a reference called ARR3, and as usual, index will start from 0. 3 size minus 1. So finally, these are the three different way in Java to create an array. So then finally, don't forget, friend. So coming to Java, array is not a data type; it's a object. So that's why during runtime, I'm creating or allocating the memory. So now let's see how to iterate this array. So the iteration is same as your C programming language. So I may start a for loop for int I equal to 0, because index will start from 0. I less than, I need to specify the length of the array. Since array is an object in Java, I can call a instance variable length. So finally, length is the predefined instance variable in array type. So by using array object, by invoking length instance variable, I can find the length of the array. So in case of C programming, so we used to hardcode the value. Right? But here it is not required. So dynamically, I can get the length of the array by using length instance variable. So and each iteration, I'm just displaying my array values. It's same as your C programming. I mean, iterating and accessing the array elements. The same way, let me copy paste the second and third array. So here I am trying to iterate the second array. And same way, I will be iterating my third array. So array 3 dot length and array 3 of. Just to verify our output, I'm just running this code. You can look at my output. So for the first array, it is displaying all the value as 0 because I haven't initialized any value. For the second and third array, you can see it is displaying the 11 values. So finally, this is a way how to define arrays in Java. So don't forget, friends, there are three ways to create a array in Java. And the most important point is coming to Java, array is not a data type, array is a object. So in our next video, we will compare Java programming array and C programming array so that we will get little more clarity on difference between Java array and C programming array. So hope friends, so you all are clear about this array concept in Java. So thanks friends for watching this video. So if you like this video, please subscribe and click on the bell icon so that as soon as I upload the new video, you will be getting the notification. Also, you can share it with your friends.